Hi guys, this is Tasha. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the crib. For my returning, positive supporters and subscribers, welcome back. Come on in and get comfortable. Guys, I saw, I hope her name is Natalie. If it's not, I apologize. Miss Put Some Bling on it. She did this project share when she made some really cute foam lollipops. And she mentioned the person that she followed the tutorial from was on Instagram. And I went to that person's Instagram, and their Instagram was private. I have an Instagram, I just don't know how to use it. But I tell you what, if you guys have an Instagram, let me know, and then I could try to follow you guys. Like I said, I don't know how to use Instagram. I got an account, I might even have 2 of them. I don't know. But if you leave your Instagram names or a link to your Instagram, I will try to click on it and follow and try to get used to start using Instagram. But anyway, what I had to end up doing is looking on YouTube for people who have done these foam lollipops. And before I get started showing you how I do them, I just want to let you know about this stuff right here. I purchased this from Dollar Tree, and these are the foam sheets from Dollar Tree, right? Now this stuff works fine on the foam sheets from Dollar Tree, but the foam sheets from Walmart, no, it doesn't work. So I'm just letting you know that right now. For the, I guess the thin Dollar Tree foam sheets, it works fine. For the thicker ones like that you get at Walmart, no, it doesn't work. So let's see, my glue gun is dripping hot. So what I have done was I actually glued the tops of 2 full sheets together so I could cut them with my rotary cutter. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use my hot glue here and just put a little bit of glue on the tip. And I'm going to put this on top of here, like so. And let that set. I'm going to do the red one too. Like I say, that glue doesn't hold for the thicker ones. And let's see, I don't even remember which one this was, but I'm just going to attach so they can. And I did some thin ones. And by the way, these are 1/4 inch. I'm sorry, 1/2 inch. And these smaller ones are 1/4 inch. Oopsies. There we go. Hopefully that will dry straight or cool straight. Okay. Let me get a little tray or something so this stuff can just go to in here. There we go. Even though I got my little tray that I made for my hot glue right over there. Now this is how I do it. This purple is going to be on the outside. The white is going to be my swirl on the inside. So this is how I glued it, and I'm going to start mine like this. Okay, so it comes over just like that, and I'm gonna try to keep this all together as close as possible. And the gentleman that I saw do it like this, he would twirl and put adhesive, you know, as he goes. But I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna twirl these, because what I do at the end will hold it all together. And I'm twirling and twirling, and the one on the middle is the one that's in the middle is going to be shorter than your outside. So I go in and I cut it to look like that, and then I come back with my hot glue. Try not to do too much, and I put it on like that, and I adhere it like this so that it just doesn't have an abrupt stop. Let me clean up this little extra glue right here, and it looks like that. Okay, I'm gonna do it one more time with this red one. Okay, all right, I got my red on the bottom, which is gonna be on the outside. The white is on my left, and I'm just going to bring the red over the white, and I'm going to just start to twirl. Let me do it this way so I can see what I'm doing. Make sure I got it tight here, and twirl. And again, the white is longer than the red, and I'm going to cut it a little bit shorter so that it won't just be an abrupt stop. I'm just gonna put some here, and we're gonna do it like that. Hold it in place so that the hot glue sets. There we go. And I don't have any candy sticks, but I do have toothpicks, and these came from Dollar Tree, and I'm just gonna put them in like so. And I'm gonna do a small red one. Let me make sure I got this in there. Okay, I'm gonna do the little small red one, because at first I didn't think I was gonna like them this big, and they're cool. I don't have any problems with them. So I'm going to get this one done. So again, I'm bringing, because the red is going to be on the outside, the white is going to be on the inside, bringing the red over the white, and then I'm just going to twirl. Let me see if I can get this one started. Oops, hold on, let me try it again. I was off camera. Put the red over the white, and then start to twirl. There we go. I think I'm getting it right here now. There we go. Okay. Again, I'm gonna cut the white a little shorter. Oopsies. Let me get a good grip here. And I'm going to add the hot glue here and here. I'm going to close this up. There we go. Like so. Pull that string out the way. Okay. Let me unplug this thing for right now. And so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to use my glossy accents. Let me put a toothpick into this small red one. Just going to shove the toothpick in there. Hopefully I can get in there without tearing it up. There we go. And I think they actually look really cute. Oopsies. Hold on, let me move that out the way. There we go. How about that? What you guys think? So now to keep these from coming apart, let me find the one. Okay, I think I like this side better. That side. Okay. I'm just going to use some glossy accents. Now this glossy accents is old. It's probably just about to dry out, but luckily I have a new bottle waiting. But I want to try to use this up first. And as you can see, I cut the little nib off because it wouldn't come out. It was so thick. So let's see if it's going to come on out. There we go. So, and I'm just going to take my finger and smooth it around. And even on the outside here. There we go. And oops, I'm sorry. I'm gonna do that again, guys. I was trying to see where my glitter is. Hold on. Well, guess what? I didn't turn the camera on. I didn't push record. But I'm gonna do this one. I still got one more, okay? So we're gonna get it done. I'm gonna do it so you guys can actually see. Because I'm a wreck right now. Like a train wreck, for real. Okay. So we got it right there. And again, I'm just using this little clear glitter here. Yeah. I think I'm putting a little bit too much on, but that's okay, I guess. And no, I don't have anything catching it. So I'm trying to not really use a lot. Okay. Okay. So now I'm going to do this again. It's recording. And we're going to get it right. I'm going to get it right. Okay. Alright. Red Lollipop. Glossy accents. No particular amount. Just I just scrolls out if that's a word, enough or some on here. Not necessarily enough. It might be too much. I don't know. I just squoze it out of the bottle. And I'm going to smear it around the sides and on the face of my lollipop. There we go. Am I in the camera? Yep, I am in frame. Awesomeness. And I'm going to take my glitter with no iridescence and just sprinkle on. And right now it's just falling. And I'll get it up later. I'm not using a lot. At least I don't think I am anyway. Okay, here we go. There we go. So right now we have 3 lollipops. 2 are half inch in width. Was that? Yeah. And then this is the one that's a 1/4 inch. And as soon as they dry, I'll be right back. Well, excuse me. As soon as they dry, I'll be back. Okay. I have just twirled some right there, and these right here I put glitter on and the glossy accents, so they're still wet. But here is the ones that are dry. This was a pink one that I did last night, I think. I don't know if you'll be able to see the glitter on that, but there it is. And here's the purple and the 2 reds. And eventually I will get to the other colors like the green. So there they are, my foam lollies. And like I said, it was they were easy to do. And hopefully if any of you were tempted to try them, maybe my technique would be kind of easy for you. Alright guys, I want to thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch my video. If you haven't, I would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. All your comments are truly appreciated. Come back anytime and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye, love bugs.